Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Anker power bank not charging, port, cables and reset troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check the charging cable. Unplug the charging cable from the power bank, then check the cable for cuts, frayed wires or bent connectors. Try another USB-C, micro USB or lightning cable that support charging. Plug the power bank in again and see if the charging LED turns on. Second fix is use a compatible wall charger. Disconnect the current charger, then use the original Anker charger or a wall adapter with at least 18 watt output. Then plug the charger directly into the wall outlet. Wait a few minutes to see if the charging indicator lights up. Third one is clean the charging port. Turn off and unplug the power bank, then inspect the charging port with a flashlight. Carefully remove any dust or lint using a soft brush or wooden toothpick. Then plug the charger back in and check if charging starts. Fourth one is try another charging port. Disconnect the charging cable. If your Anker power bank has more than a USB-C port, connect the charger of the other input port. Then wait a few seconds. Check whether the charging LED light up. Fifth one is reset the power bank. Disconnect all cable from the power bank, then press and hold the power button for 8 to 15 seconds. Then release the button, connect the charger again and check if charging resume. Thanks for watching.